Hello, Lions. This is your Reedy Library Advanced Google Searching for Images video. So let's say I am looking for an image of Thomas Jefferson. I can go to Images, and all the images are here. Now, sometimes in Google there's a gear over here. Sometimes you only have these options here. Either way, just know that you can find images that are copyright free or narrow the image searches down by using these tools over here or this gear. So when I click on search tools, these tools pop down. So for instance, if I'm looking for an image of a certain size, I can use this to help me find an image of a certain size. If maybe I'm looking for like an animated image or really any image and I want it in a certain color family, or I want it black and white or whatever, I can choose that here. Of course, you can choose the type of images that you're looking for here. You can use the time here. Maybe you need an image that's very recent, or so you can use that. And then usage rights. This is really important. So anytime that you are going to use an image in a project, whether the project is online or the project is something you're going to print out, if you are going to be sharing that image and showing it to other people, putting that image online especially, you need to make sure that you are choosing the correct usage rights, okay? So you need to make sure you're using an image that's not copyright protected. If you do use an image that's copyright protected, you need to make sure and cite it completely and correctly, giving full credit to the person that it came from. But if you're going to use something online, your best bet is to make sure that usage rights labeled for reuse. Now let's say you're going to take an image and you're going to crop it, or you're going to, draw a mustache on him or do something to the image, then you need to choose labeled for reuse with modification, okay? So make sure that you choose the right one there. If you have the gearbox, you can also go to the gearbox and go to advanced search and change the usage rights here. So free to use, share, or modify. If you're going to change the image, free to use or share there, okay? And then of course here are some other advanced searching options as well. Okay. If you have any questions while you are searching for an image online, please feel free to come and chat with me. I'm more than happy to help you, or you can email me, lambertn@friscoisd.org. And so now I'm going to show you databases. So we can go to macandvia.com, okay, and you're going to use your 6-digit student ID and your 8-digit birthday to log in. Make sure you put Reedy as the school. Once you log into Macandvia, there are several databases that you can get images from. All you have to do is make sure that you cite the images, because these are copyrighted images, but as long as you cite them, you can use them in your stuff for school. So Britannica School is a great one for images. So let's say I want frogs. Okay, so sometimes these images will come up right here, see all images, so you can click on this and see all the images that they have. Let's say I want this one, I can come here, click cite, and then depending on if I'm doing MLA or APA, I would copy and paste the citation right here somewhere into my project to make sure that the image that I'm using, that I'm giving the proper citation. And then you can drag and drop images from these databases right into something Google. Any of these databases, Science in Context, Student Resources in Context, Research in Context, any of these right here are going to offer you some images as well. So for instance, if I click on this one and I type in frogs, okay, so then it's going to offer me the images right here. So I can click on images, and then if I want this one right here, again, I just click on the image and it's going to give me a citation right here. Just know that these are MLA citations, so depending on what kind of citation I need, I can come up here, copy and paste the citation. I can drag and drop this into Google. I can actually, in these databases, I can sign in with my Google account, and then I can download the images directly into my Google account too. So I can have them that way. If I don't want to drag them into a slide or a doc or something, I can have the actual image file that way. So those work the same way. All of these work in similar ways as far as images go. So those are going to be some places that you can get some images when you're working on projects as well, that also easily provide you with the citations for those images. And again, if you need help, you can always come see me in the library, or you can email me at lambertin@friscoisd.org. Good luck, Lions!